Python dictionaries is really important data structure. So when you want to store the values in the form of key value pairs and then you want to access the values using the unique identifiers, if you have those kind of requirements, you should always go ahead and use Python dictionaries. So for example, if you want to store data in the form of employee number and salary, and that then at any point of time you want to use employee number as a unique identifier and get the salary. For those kind of data, I would say you should go ahead and use the dictionary data structure in Python. Hi, my name is Rohit, and in today's video, we are going to cover Python dictionaries and how you can do various operations on Python dictionaries. Let's get started. Python dictionaries are used to store values in the form of key value pairs. So when you declare a Python dictionary, you always have to declare it using a key and a value. So for example, if we are creating a new dictionary with the name dictionary, then in that we have to define every element as a key value pair. So in this case, company would be key and the value would be Inttrvu. Then every key value pair, they are separated by a comma. And one another thing to remember about dictionary is they are declared using the curly brackets. So at the start and end, you can see a curly brackets. Then dictionaries from Python 3.7, they are ordered. So the reason for that is like when you create any new dictionary, the order is maintained. So this is not the case in case of set, right? So from 3.7 onwards in Python, the dictionaries are ordered data structure. But it doesn't mean you can access the dictionaries using index. You have to access the dictionary always using the key values. And one more thing to remember about dictionaries is that they won't store any duplicate key value pairs. So if you already have a key company in a dictionary, then you cannot add another key with the same name. So now let's go through some examples to get better understanding. So here we are just creating a new dictionary with multiple key value pairs. So website is the second key and the value is Inttrvu.ai. Then year is 2023. So like this, we can create multiple key value pairs in dictionary and then we are just printing the dictionary. So here you can see our original dictionary getting printed in the form of key value pairs. We cannot access the elements in dictionary using the index. So we cannot say something like dictionary 0 and expect that the first key value pair would come out. We always have to access the elements in dictionary using the keys. So what we can do is we can do something like dictionary website and that would print the value for this particular key. So for key website, what was the value? For key website, the value was Inttrvu.ai. That's why you can see Inttrvu.ai printed over here. Then to get list of all keys in the dictionary, we can use the keys function, which is the default function implemented in Python data structure dictionary. So variable name, which is dictionary, then dot, and then the name of function keys and a function call. So this would give us list of all the keys in that particular dictionary. So in our dictionary, we had total 5 keys. So this would give us list of all the 5 keys. Similarly, if you want to get list of all the values, then we can use the values function. So dictionary.values would give us a list of all the values in that particular dictionary. Suppose we want to get a value of a particular key, then we can also use a get function. So if you do dictionary.get and pass a key for which you want to get back the value. So in this case, if you pass key name website, it would give us the value for this key, which is Inttrvu.ai. We can also change the values of a dictionary. So for that, what we have to do is, suppose in our original dictionary, the city was Pune, right? So here we have declared city as Pune. Tomorrow, if you want to update the city, say to Bangalore, then we can do it like this. So dictionary, instead of index in dictionary, we have to use key. So the key is city equal to Bangalore. So what this would do is it would update the value of key city to Bangalore. So here, if you print the dictionary, you can see here, now the city is changed to Bangalore from Pune. We can also use update method for updating the key value pair. So if we do dictionary.update and to it we pass the key value pair again, now city Pune, then what this would do is it would update the key value pair based on these values which we are passing. So now city would again get changed to Pune because we are doing the update operation over here. We can also add new items to the dictionary. So suppose now we want to add item course to this particular dictionary. Then what we can do is we can use the name of dictionary and then in square brackets the new key that we want to add. So here we want to add course, and course is equal to data science. So this would add a new key value pair in our original dictionary, and now we can see course key value pair getting added in our dictionary. Using update operation also we can add the key value pair. So one thing to remember here is if the key value pair is already present, if this key is already present, so instead of creating a new key value pair with city Mumbai, the dictionary would just update the value at this particular key. So city was Pune before this operation, but if we pass city Mumbai, then it would change the value at key city to Mumbai. Because remember, dictionaries never hold duplicate keys. So that's why we are just updating the value at key city using the update function. But if to update function, if we pass a key value pair, in which case key is not present in that dictionary, so this would result in creation of a new key value pair. So suppose we are calling update function and this time we are passing country as India. So country key was not present in our original dictionary, right? So we don't have country anywhere in the keys. So this would add a new key value pair in our dictionary. So country India is getting added to our dictionary using the update method because the key country was not present in dictionary. So even if we try to create a dictionary with duplicate keys, now say we have created two duplicate keys here, city, and first time we are assigning it a value Pune and then we are assigning it a value Mumbai. And then if we run this, dictionary is not going to create a duplicate keys. So at the end what you would get is only the latest value. So the latest value in key city is Mumbai. That's why you can see here we have city Mumbai created. So always remember that dictionary would never hold duplicate keys. Then we can also delete specific key value pair from dictionary. So suppose we want to delete key city and its specific value, then we can use the pop function, which is again the default function implemented within Python data structure for dictionary. So name of variable, which is dictionary, dot the name of function pop, and to it we are passing the key value pair which we want to delete. So we just have to pass the name of key. So if we pass city to this and then if we print the dictionary, you can see here the key value pair for city is now deleted in our dictionary because we are using the pop function. Then one thing to remember about dictionaries, which is bit different than other data structure, is the dictionaries are storing values in the form of key and value, right? So it's not just a single value at every position. So that's why when you iterate through dictionary or when you loop through dictionary, you can do it using the key value pairs. So here what we are doing is for k comma v in dictionary.items. So this would go through every key and value in dictionary. We are just printing the corresponding values that we are getting in variable k and v. So you can see here, if we write this for loop, in first iteration, it would print the first key value pair, which is company and Inttrvu. Then the second key value pair till the end, which is type edtech. So this is how we can iterate through dictionary keys and values at the same time. So for doing that, we are using the items function. So name of a dictionary dot items and a function call. So if we do this, then we are able to get key value in variable k and we are able to get the value in variable v. So key in k and value in v. So this is how we can iterate and get both the values. Now sometimes you might want to iterate over a dictionary and you want to get just the keys. So in that case, you can use the keys function. So if you do for k in dictionary.keys, this would iterate over a dictionary and get only keys value for you. So in this, if you do print k, it would print all the keys one by one: company, website, year and type. So all the 4 keys, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you can also iterate over dictionary and just get values. So for that you have to use a values function. So for v in dictionary.values, so dictionary is name of our variable and values is the function that we are calling. So this would iterate over dictionary and get us only the values. So the 4 values in our dictionary would be printed one by one. Inttrvu, then Inttrvu.ai, 2023 and then edtech. So these are the 4 values which are printed. So remember how you can iterate over the dictionaries, because in interviews you might get some questions over the dictionary, and that time you should remember how you can iterate over a dictionary, because iterating over a dictionary is bit different as compared to other 3 data structures. That's it for today. I hope you got key concept behind the Python dictionaries and how you can use them to store the data. In the next video, we would cover some programming questions related to the Python dictionaries. So those questions would help you in developing your problem solving skills. If you have any challenges in understanding Python dictionaries, let me know in the comments. Keep coding in Python and keep learning Python. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.